Hello everyone, let's look at percentage word problems from Primary 6 Mathematics. And this is question 7. First, let's read the question. 44% of the spectators in a stadium were women and the rest were men. After 120 men left the stadium, the number of men remaining made up 45% of the remaining number of spectators. How many men were there in the stadium at first? Next, let's analyze the key phrases for this question. So the first key phrase is that 44% of the spectators in a stadium were women and the rest were men. So 120 men left the stadium. The number of men remaining made up 45% of the remaining number of spectators. So we need to find the number of men in the stadium at first. So we're going to use ratio for this question. So the woman is to men at first. There were 44% women. So 44 is to 56. Why? Because 100% minus 44%, you'll get 56%. 56% will be number of men. Then 120 men left the stadium. So we'll simplify 44 and 56. We'll get 11 is to 14 by dividing by 4 for 44 and 56. So because 120 men left the stadium, so we need to take away 120. So this ratio will be for before, and for the ratio after, the number of men remaining made up 45% of the remaining number of spectators. This means that 45% is 45 out of 100. So we simplify this fraction, we'll get 9 out of 20. So the ratio for after for women is to men, there were 9 units for men after and 11 units of women after. You take 20, which is the total number of units for after, then you minus 9, you get 11 units for women after 120 men left the stadium. Next, we can see that the units for women for before and after must be equal because no woman left the stadium. So this quantity will be unchanged. So you can see that 11 units for before and 11 units after remains unchanged. So we can take 14 units minus 9 units, you get 5 units, and 5 units will be equals to 120, the 120 men that left the stadium. So 1 unit will be 24, and we need to find the number of men in the stadium at first. So we need to find 14 units. So 14 units, you get 24 multiplied by 14 and you get 336. There were 336 men in the stadium at first. Alright, that's all. Thank you. Bye-bye.